I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade white queso. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 10 ounces of white American cheese, whole milk, and some aromatics. Fresh jalapenos and a small amount of white onion are key for that authentic flavor. We'll also use a touch of butter and some spices to round out the taste. This recipe is simple and delivers delicious results every time. Now, let's get everything prepped. Start by finely dicing about 1/4 of a small white onion and 1 jalapeno. Remember to remove the seeds from the jalapeno if you prefer less heat. Next, shred your 10 ounces of white American cheese. This helps it melt smoothly and quickly. Finally, measure out 1/4 cup of whole milk and 1 tablespoon of butter. Having everything ready makes the cooking process much easier. Time to cook. In a small saucepan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium-low heat. Add your diced onion and jalapeno, sautéing them until they are soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, pour in 1/4 cup of whole milk. Once the milk is warm, gradually add the shredded white American cheese, stirring continuously. Keep the heat low to prevent scorching and ensure a perfectly smooth, creamy queso. Your homemade white queso is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with your favorite tortilla chips or drizzle it over tacos and burritos for an extra layer of flavor. For a fresh touch, garnish with some chopped cilantro or a few extra jalapeno slices. This recipe yields a generous amount, perfect for sharing. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money as well as other deals. Enjoy your delicious restaurant-quality queso.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.